guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video is a vlog wherein I'm filming productive days in my life and I hope this motivates you. I have finally decided to work out religiously because my 25th birthday is coming very soon and I want to get back into proper shape. Yes, that is what I promised myself for my 25th birthday, and for that I have to start working out every single day. But honestly, I'm not able to go to the gym every single day, so I'm starting very slow. I'm doing 5 times a week and I just completed week 1 and I realized the importance of working out because after working out I instantly feel so good about myself. So yes, the idea is to fall in love with the process and not obsess over the result. So I'm trying to take it very slow. On Sunday I did a very late workout because I had other things planned for the day, and after that I took a good shower and unwinded very well because tomorrow is Monday and for Monday I need maximum energy and motivation to pull myself. I've dried my hair 70% and I think that is more than enough. Let's now go to sleep. Honestly, my workload has increased in my 9 to 5 and all my day is spent working on the task assigned to me. So before logging in, I make sure I do all my content related work, and that's how I'm able to manage three things at the same time. I'm so grateful to my company to give us work from home because in this heat, if you expect me to travel in a train for work, I won't be able to do it because it is terribly hot where I live, and I write down everything that I need to do for that particular day so that it is very clear to my brain what to expect throughout the day. After finishing up my content work, I have some breakfast, and my ideal breakfast is either eggs or nothing because I don't like to eat in the morning. After that, I log in for my 9 to 5 job and I work for straight 8 to 9 hours. We get an hour in between for lunch, and that is when I recorded few content for my Instagram page, or on some days I do the editing part during that 1 hour break. Working out has motivated me to eat better because I don't want to ruin my hard work by eating trash food. So that is how I am exploring new recipes. And I saw one on my Instagram reel and I gave it a try. And this recipe was top notch. It was really very nice. And everyone in my family loved it. Although I switched up the recipe a bit and I added few things from my own side according to my liking. And it was really very good. So here I was making chicken tikka rolls and I wanted to make a healthier version, but I used sauce, I used oil to cook that chicken and it tasted really good. But next time I'm going to air fry the chicken to see if it tastes the same or not. After that, I wanted to film a few videos tomorrow, so I am planning everything on my iPad. I'm writing the script and everything that I would require tomorrow, and I've started a new series called Tech Finds on my Instagram and on YouTube Shorts, where I share few tech related stuff with my audience, and it is a very interesting series because even I am getting to learn so much. I'm shooting a vlog over there, and this is my work list for my office. Just completed my shoot and I'm packing up everything. I've started a new series called Tech Finds on my Instagram, and I usually shoot for it in a batch so that I don't have to keep on shooting things. So today I shot two videos and they will go in a span of 2 weeks probably. But yeah. So it is very difficult for me to work during weekends. So I have a hack for you all. If you feel very lazy to work, just go to a cafe and work, because there you are paying for a coffee and that motivates you to utilize that time spent in the cafe productively. And that is how I got 5 hours of work done in a single seating at this cafe. I just ordered a coffee and I sat down to work. And I worked till my stomach started growling for food and I wanted to come back home and eat. And it was such a nice experience for me because I want to overcome my fear of filming in public, and putting myself out there in the public has helped me overcome this.